Hey, this is Maximo, and today we're off to Windsor Castle. I'm looking forward to it. Let's go. Windsor Castle is a royal residence at Windsor in the English county of Berkshire. It's 22 miles due west of central London and about an hour by car. From where we were staying in Rickmansworth, it was around about a 16-mile drive and about 45 minutes in fairly heavy traffic, and it was south-west of where we are staying. I'll put a map on the screen to show you the route that we took. There's no parking in and around Windsor Castle, but there's plenty of public car parking available, and we chose one of the public car parks, a multi-storey car park reasonably close to the castle and in a mall. Also, you have the option of travelling there by train. There's a train station that's fairly close to the castle, and if you get up at Windsor and Eton Central stations, it'll serve you well. It's only a short walk to the main entrance. So Windsor Castle is an active royal residence. The castle was originally built in the 11th century after the Norman invasion by William the Conqueror. The castle is in active use, and it's the longest occupied palace in the whole of Europe. It's been used since the time of Henry I, who reigned from 1100 to 1135. There's a number of notable features about the castle, one being the state apartments built in the Georgian style, and also the 15th century St. George's Chapel. They're the two highlights for me. When visiting the castle, it is wise to book ahead of time. You can book online. We didn't. We chanced it, and I guess we had to wait about maybe half an hour in the queue waiting to go in. But if you do book online, you are allocated a slot, and those people that have pre-booked were given preference. But waiting half an hour for a world-class attraction isn't too bad. The castle's open daily from 10 a.m. and prices vary. Sunday to Friday it's £26.50 for an adult, and on Sunday it's £28.50 for an adult. Young people classed as 18 to 24, it's £17.50 and £18.50. For child from 5 to 17, it's £14.50 and £15.50. For disabled people, it's the same, and under 5s are free. So it's quite reasonably priced. Also, this is a working royal palace, so it is best to check online to make sure that the palace is actually open and not closed for some sort of official reason. one of the things that we didn't see or go on was the long walk, so that was a little bit disappointing. The reason being was that we actually left Windsor Castle and wanted to park nearby, but there was no parking anywhere near that long walk. So we missed out, and we did get a small glimpse of it from the car as we drove by it, but my recommendation would be that if you're at the front entrance of the castle, make a little detour and go to the long walk. It's reasonably close to the front entrance and you'll be able to enjoy it and not miss out. So that's one of the things I'd do differently if I was to attend Windsor Castle next time. Here I am at Windsor Castle. We've just come out of the Royal Suites. Unfortunately, we weren't allowed to take any video or photos, but it was really nice and also very crowded. It's been delightful. Oh, what's happening here?
Sorry.
We certainly don't see that every day. here I am standing outside St James's Chapel. Not very crowded, except a little bit towards the end where the passageway narrowed towards the exit, but unfortunately not able to take any photos or videos inside. But it was quite sublime, very old, lots of kings and queens buried in there. I actually stood over the remains of Henry VIII. There you go. It's been a really nice day here at Windsor Castle. Saw a lot, especially the royal suites. That was fantastic. Unfortunately no videos or photos there either. So that concludes our tour of Windsor Castle.